This webinar will be covering Aspect's start and stop job function on the tablet. Let us begin. For this lesson, the look and feel may differ slightly from the actual tablets, the functions remain the same. The tablet window opens with the option to choose a specific area, or all areas and work centers. To view a work center, simply click on the relevant one. This opens the job summary section of the work center. The job summary screen displays job information for previous, current, and future jobs. Starting, stopping, and suspending jobs can be carried out from this screen. To start the job, we click Start Job. We will be required to enter our user ID PIN. To stop a job, we click Stop Job. Again, we will need to enter our PIN. A job is started directly after stopping the previous one. This will then start downtime based on the machine not cycling. Once stopped, click Next and then Start. Suspend job is only to be used in specific circumstances. These are to be discussed and agreed with the planners. If a job is suspended, it will be unscheduled until the planner puts it back in the schedule. It is important to advise the scheduler if this has been done. Once a job is started, we can enter the yield here. In some cases, a preparation check may be needed prior to starting a job. This will be shown here. Reports allows us to see reports for material pick lists, work request, and job travelers. The Job Comments button is used for any on-job comments and can be useful in understanding what may have transpired if faced with any quality or production issues in the future. If alert reasons have been set up, the alert button can be used to call a supervisor without leaving the machine. This will appear on the monitor screen here. To go back to all machines, select the current machine button and then all in the drop-down list. This brings us to the end of this webinar. We hope the information and examples provided here have been beneficial to you.